give me anything?
He's an eel poke master.
Jason, I can't believe you're hammering 30-inch walleye.
Corey, somebody get down here. Come on, somebody.
I'm getting over here.
Give me that fireball. I need something to drink.
Soy got this.
What the fuck? I was laughing.
Get down there. You see it?
Give me that fireball.
She ain't up yet. He's fucking running too.
Dude, you better fucking catch that thing. You better fucking catch that thing, dude. Wow, that thing's fucking huge.
Jason.
Oh my god, dude. Dude, you want a fireball?
It's a big pike. It's a pike. It's a pike.
Huge pike.
It's a fucking pike.
Oh, he's running, dude. He's running.
Just let him go.
Just
Fuck
let him
it.
go.
You're done.
Oh, that's a fucking 50-incher. Kyle's got tears. Burning lion. That's the quote of the weekend right there. Burning lion.
He's got that line too. Fuck, he's got that one tangled up.
Alright.
Oh, fuck.
My God.